Good morning, my dear student. Today in this online class of entrepreneurship, I will explain here the creative behavior of entrepreneur in entrepreneurship. Okay, here creativity means to generate or recognize new ideas, alternative ideas, and possibilities. Okay, here creativity it is a set of skills, behaviors, attitudes and beliefs of a person towards their work. Okay, or towards solving any problems or communicating with others. Okay, and pertaining yourself to others. Okay, here creativity is the ability to come up with the new ideas and identify new and different ways of looking at a problem and opportunities. Okay, with the help of this creativity one can achieve new ideas, innovate new ideas and opportunities to solve the coming problems in their life. Okay, in any situation, business or in life. Okay, again here comes the definition of creative behavior. Okay, here in definition it is given creative behavior has been viewed as a creative act. Here act means the role or doing work. Okay, or act as or set of acts which is made explicit. Here explicit means it is a conscious level. Okay, one can do any creative behavior with his conscious mind. Okay, that is why explicit through behavior. Creative behavior is not submissive. Here not submissive means not ready to obey others. Okay, just you create your own thoughts, own ideas and innovate. Okay, again it is action which leads to a creative output. Here creativity comes with the output of behavior. Okay, again creative behavior is not confined solely to the domain of cognition. Okay, cognition it is a process of developing knowledge in the minds. Okay, cognition means here developing knowledge in the minds and understanding. Okay, so again here it is given uh, but it is rare action that yield output that is deemed original and useful. Okay, this definition is given by Picchio and Cobra in the year 2011. Okay, so this just you go through this one again. Last it is written it is a behavior that permits ones to act unobstructed. Unobstructed means free from any obstacles here. Okay, after that from self or externally imposed constraint. Okay, constraint in pursuit of self expression, invention, discovery, design and problem solving. Okay, this whole behavior, creative behavior comes under problem solving. Okay, that is done only by an entrepreneur. Now here comes the process. Okay, a process of assembling ideas by recombining elements already known but wrongly assumed to be unrelated to each other. Here in this creative behavior it is a process of assembling ideas. Okay, you just collect ideas, new ideas within a brain or mind. Okay, the elements that are wrongly assumed. Okay, it is unrelated to each other, that is not related to each other. That is why you create new ideas. Okay, in your mind that is not related to others. Okay, this definition has several key elements that are worth considering. Here the first one is process. Creativity is also a process. Okay, once mind thinks and create new ideas, that is why it is a process of it is a simple process of thinking. Okay, next is ideas. Idea means yes, creativity results into ideas. If you process, if you create something, then new ideas that comes out, and with that idea you will have big potential value. And the last one is recombining. If you process the ideas, that with the help of this behavior, after that new ideas, if you recombining, then the creative process is one of the putting things together in unexpected way. Okay, if you put these things, process and ideas in one combined thing, then a new behavior or new creativity will come. And and there are three reasons, okay, why people are motivated to be creative and want to convert their creative ideas into a business and make money. Those ideas are: here. Only the entrepreneur can know the creative ideas, because entrepreneur is the only person that deals with problem solving things. That is why he is an innovator. Here the three things is three ideas. Those three ideas are need for novel, varied and complex stimulation. Okay, you have to be just like stimulation means here the energy, okay, which comes from your inner heart. After that, need to communicate ideas and values. Okay, and the last one is need to solve problems. These are the 3 points. These are the 3 points that comes under this definition. Okay, lastly we can see this is the whole definition of creative behavior of or being an entrepreneur, which every entrepreneur must have while dealing in the situation of converting the creative ideas into a meaningful and profitable business. Every entrepreneur do business or create new ideas for their profitable business only. This easy process is the best, most helpful and beneficial process for every entrepreneur. Okay, these are the very ideas, three ideas that are very much essential for an entrepreneur. Okay, thank you, student.